Hey guys, it's Philip from Babs Honda. We're back here with the all-wheel drive Honda Civic, and today we're going to be installing the DPRACEPARTS 5-gallon fuel cell. So we got to start by removing the rubber hose here. It's just a spring clamp back here. So I got the spring clamp moved out of the way with a pair of needle nose, and now I've just got a pair of channel locks. Right, spin this hose. Baby's been on there some years, so don't want to give it up. Alright, so I ordered this piece of straight silicone coupler off of eBay. It's treadstone. It's 1.5 inches, and it'll allow me to go from the factory fuel neck over to the fuel cell. I think actually the factory is 1.25 inches, but the fuel cell is 1.5 inches. So if you can find a 1.25 to 1.5 inch transition, it'll probably work best. But I've got the straight, and then I'll have to trim this hose once I get everything up here in place. Alright, so here's our fuel cell. If you missed the unboxing video, I'll put a link to it at the end. You can click on that link and it'll take you to the unboxing video where I unboxed the DPRACEPARTS fuel cell. Alright, so I went ahead and put my fitting for my return on here. It's a 180. On the front up here, it bolts in where the strap for the factory fuel tank went. This is a 14. And then it connects over on this side, as you can see right here, with a 10mm into the frame right here. Started there. We got our 14 finger tight up there. That's going to be our vent tube. Let me see. We got a 10 or a 14, so we tighten them. Alright, come back over here and we'll tighten them down real quick. Alright. Hopefully this piece here is going to work. I'm going to get a tape measure and measure how long this needs to be exactly. Alright, so I've pretty much got everything back here buttoned up. I got my breather hose on, as well as a filler hose. I got both of my fuel supply lines. They go over to my pre-filters. They go over to my pumps. And then they go over here and they actually wire back together and go to a -8. That goes to the front. And then I've got my -6 return here. So pretty much everything on the back half is done. I just got to mount the fuel filter up front, put some fuel in it, and hopefully it'll start. So apparently I forgot to film an outro, but as you can see, the fuel cell fits very nicely, and I'm super happy with the outcome. Anywho, thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Hope to see you on the next one. Peace.